Children, it is a continuation of the chapter linear equation in one variable, and the type of the linear equation is the expression on one side and the numbers on the other side. Now let us come to the 13th question of that exercise. The question is, a rational number is such that when you multiply it by 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3 to the product, you get minus 7 by 12. What is the number? So let us take the number is x here. So let us have the solution. Let us consider a rational number is x here. Let a rational number is x here. Now here when you multiply it by 5 by 2, so it becomes 5 by 2 into x here. 5 by 2 into x, and if you add 2 by 3 to the product, here you will get the product is 5x by 2, add 2 by 3. So what you are going to get, that is equals minus 7 by 12. Here x is multiplied by 5 by 2, and to this product 2 by 3 is added, and the result is here minus 7 by 12. Now it becomes 5x by 2, and you transfer this plus 2 by 3 to the RHS to get the value of x here. You have to find the value of x. Therefore, you transfer plus 2 by 3 to the RHS. So, it becomes minus 7 by 12. After transposing 2 by 3, that is plus 2 by 3 to the RHS, it becomes minus 2 by 3. So, here what you have done? Transposing 2 by 3 to RHS. Then it becomes 5x by 2 is equals to, and take the LCM of 12 and 3. The LCM of 12 and 3 is 12 here, and you know that 12 ones are 12, minus 7 ones are minus 7, and minus 3 fours are 12. So here you multiply 2 by 4, that is 3 fours are 12 means 2 fours are 8. It becomes, then 5x by 2 is equals to, here the sum of minus 7 and minus 8 is, here both are having same sign, so you add them and put the negative sign. Sum of minus 7 and minus 8 becomes, that is minus 15 by 12 it is. Minus 15 by 12. Therefore, you multiply both LHS and RHS by the reciprocal of 5 by 2, that is by 2 by 5. The reciprocal of 5 by 2 is 2 by 5. So, multiply both LHS and RHS by 2 by 5. Then it becomes, here x will remain, and here what happens? Minus 15 by 12 into 2 by 5. Here 2 comes to the numerator and 5 comes to the denominator. So, here you got x equals minus 15 by 12 into 2 by 5. So, what you have done here? By multiplying 2 by 5, or multiplying both LHS and RHS by 2 by 5. Multiplying both LHS and RHS by 2 by 5. You got it? Multiplying both LHS and RHS by 2 by 5. So, you got x equals, you know that 5 ones are 5 minus 3 are, then 2 ones are 2 6 are, you will get minus 3 by 6. Again you can cancel it. X is equals to 3 ones are 3 twos are minus 1 by 2. X equals minus 1 by 2. 14th question. Lakshmi is a cashier in bank. She has currency notes of each denominations rupees 100, rupees 50, rupees 10 respectively. The ratio of number of these notes is 2:3:5. The total cash with Lakshmi is here 4 lakh. How many notes of denomination does she have? It is given that rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10 are in the ratio 2:3:5. Here the ratio of the notes is 2:3:5. So therefore we can have, let 100 rupees notes equals 2x and 50 rupees notes equals 3x and 10 rupees notes equals 5x. The number of notes are here 2x, 3x, 5x and total amount is 4 lakh. So here 100 into 2x plus 50 into 3x plus 10 into 5x must be equals to this 4 lakh. That is 100 into 2x plus 50 into 3x plus 10 into 5x must be equals to 4 lakh. Therefore, let us have that 100 into 2x plus 50 into 3x plus 10 into 5x is equals to what? That is 4 lakh. Now 100 into 2x becomes 200x plus 50 into 3 is 150x plus 10 into 5 is 50x, that is equals to 4 lakh. Now here sum of this 200, 150, 50. You can add, all these are like terms, you can add them. So it is 200 plus 150 plus 50 is 400 here. 200 plus 150 is 350 plus 50 is 400. So it becomes 400x is equals to 4 lakh. Now here 400 must be cancelled here. It must become 1x. So to cancel 400, you must divide it by 400. Therefore, you divide both LHS and RHS by 400. Here it is 400x is equals to 4 lakh. And in the LHS, 400 must be cancelled. It must become 1x. So you must transfer this 400 to the RHS. That is nothing but dividing both LHS and RHS by 400. So it becomes x equals 4 lakh by 400. That is nothing but by dividing LHS and RHS by 400. And here this 2 cancels, 4 ones are 1 and you get 3 zeros. Here x equals 1000 you got. So what is the value of x? You got the value of x is 1000. Therefore, how many 100 rupees notes are there? 2 into 1000. How many 50 rupees notes are there? 3 into 1000. How many 10 rupees notes are there? 5 into 1000. Here the question is, how many notes of denomination does she have? So you write number of rupees 100 notes. That is how much here? It is 2x. So it is 2x, that is equals to 2 into 1000. That is equals to 2000. 2000 100 rupees notes are there. Next, number of 50 rupees notes. That is, here it is 3x. 3x means that is 3 into 1000. That is equals to 3050 rupees notes are there. 3050 rupees notes are there. And rupees 10 notes, 10 rupees notes, they are 5x. That is 5 into 1000. That is equals to 5000. 5000 notes are of 10 rupees. 10 rupees 5000 notes are there, 50 rupees 3000 notes are there, 100 rupees 2000 notes are there. And here if you multiply that becomes 100 into 2000. And next 50 into 3000. Then 10 into 5000. Here it becomes 2 5 zeros. And here it is that 3 4 zeros, 1 2 3 4 zeros, and 5 3 is a 15. Next here it is again 4 zeros here, 3 zeros into 10 here, that is this one, 50,000 you will get. Then add them, that becomes 4 lakh here. How much amount you got? She is having 4 lakh rupees, that is 200 100 rupees notes, 2000 100 rupees notes, 3000 50 rupees notes, 5000 10 rupees note, and total amount becomes 4 lakh rupees. Total amount becomes 4 lakh. Question number 15. I have total of rupees 300 in coins of denominations rupees 1, rupees 2 and rupees 5. The number of rupees 2 coins is 3 times the number of rupees 5 coins. The total number of coins is 160. How many coins of each denomination with me? Here I have total of rupees 300. Here 300 rupees amount is there, and they are the coins of denominations rupees 1, rupees 2 and rupees 5. And let us consider here number of rupees 1 coin is equals to x, and number of rupees 2 coins is equals to y, and number of rupees 5 coins equals z. Now here the relation between the number of 2 rupees coins and number of 5 rupees coins is given, that is number of 2 rupees coin is 3 times the number of 5 rupees coins, that is number of 2 rupees coin means y is equals to 3 times the z. So what is given here? Number of 2 rupees coin is 3 times the number of 5 rupees coin. So we have taken y is equals to 3z here. Y is equals to 3z. Now also here totally how many coins are there? 160. That is x plus y plus z is equals to 160. That is number of 1 rupee coin plus number of 2 rupees coin plus number of the 5 rupees coin is equals to 160. 160 coins are there. So you write x here plus also y here, and here you can write y is equals to 3z. So express y in terms of z, that is y is equals to 3z plus z is equals to 160. It becomes x plus 4z is equals to 160. So express x in terms of z, that is x is equals to 160 minus 4z. X is equals to 160 minus 4z here. Here what you have to find out? You have to find out the number of coins of each denomination, and I have a total of rupees 300. Here total amount is here rupees 300. So here let us take, that is 1 into x plus 2 into y plus 5 into z is equals to what? 300. So let us have that is 1 into x plus 2 into y plus 5 into z is equals to how much? How much amount it becomes? 300 rupees it becomes. So here x you can add this one, that is, you consider this is one relation and this is also one relation. So you consider this is first, this is second, and you write from second you can write x means here 160 minus 4z, y means, so here 2y, y means here 3z, you write 3z and plus 5z is equals to 300. Here x is expressed in terms of z, y is also expressed in terms of z here. X and y are expressed in terms of z because it is an equation of, it is a linear equation with one variable. So to get the value of the denominations, you must convert this into the one variable. After getting the value of one variable, you will get the other also. Next it becomes 160 minus 4z plus 2 3s are 6z plus 5z is equals to 300 it is. Now here minus 4z, 6z, 5z, it becomes 160, and you know that minus 4z plus 6z plus 5z is 11z is equals to 300, and here you transfer 160 to the RHS, that becomes minus 4z plus 11z is 11 minus 4 is 7z. 7z is equals to 360 minus 160. Here 160 is by transposing 160 to RHS. Then here it becomes 7z is equals to 300 it is, not 360. 300 minus 160 is, that is 140. So you got z is equals to 140 by 7. Then z is equals to 7 ones are 720 is a, so you got 7 ones are 720 is a, z is equals to 20 you got. If you got z means you will get y and x here. So you write y is equals to 3z, you know, that is 3 into 20 is equals to 60, and x is equals to, you know, that is 160 minus 4z. 160 minus 4z, that is 160 minus 4 into z is here, z is 20. Then it becomes 160 minus 80. So it is 160 minus 80 is 80. So you got the value of z and also value of y, and also this is the value of x. So x means here x is the number of 1 rupees coin and y is the number of 2 rupees coin and z is the number of 5 rupees coin. So the question is, how many coins of each denomination with me? Here 1 rupee number of 1 rupee coins equals sum, that is x 80. Then number of 2 rupee coins, that is equals to 2 rupee coin is here, that is y. Y is equals to what? You got it, y value, that is 60, and number of, that is, know that 5 rupees coin, that is z, 5 rupees coin, z is here, you know that 20. Then the number of coins is here 160 and total amount is 300. Verify here. the number of coins becomes 80 plus 60 plus 20 means that is 160. And amount means here 1x plus 2y plus 5z. 1x plus 2y plus 5z, that is 1x is 1 into x, that is 1 into 80 plus 2 into y. Y is here, you know, that is 60 plus 5 into z is here, that is 20. See here, that becomes, here it is 1 into 80, 2 into 60, 5 into 20, 80 plus 120 plus 25 is 100. Then it becomes 80 plus 120 is 200, 200 plus 100 is 300 rupees it is. 300 rupees. So amount had is here 300 rupees. So you got number of coins are 80, 60, 20 and amount is 300. Now let us take the 16th question. The organizers of an essay competition decide that a winner in the competition gets a prize of rupees 100 and participants who does not win gets a prize of rupees 25. The total prize money distributed is rupees 3000. Find the number of winners if the total number of participants is 63. The question says that there are totally 63 participants and winner gets rupees 100 and who does not win gets a prize of rupees 25. Now let us consider the number of winners equals x. Let number of winners equals x, and then the number of participants who does not win. Number of participants who does not win. Does not win becomes how much? Here there are totally 63 participants. X is the number of winners, means the number of participants who does not win is 63 minus x it is. Here x are the winners and 63 minus x. The remaining becomes the losers here. And totally the total prize money distributed is here rupees 3000. And you know that here the winner gets rupees 100. So if x is the number of winners, means the total amount given to the winners becomes 100x plus, and the total amount given to the participants who does not win gets rupees 25, that is 25 into 63 minus x. The total amount is here 3000 rupees. 3000, and it becomes 100x plus 25 63 that is 25 3 75 and 25 6 150 157 it is. So 1525 75 minus 25x is equals to 3000. Then it is 100x minus 25x is plus 1575 is equals to 3000. Here we first to transfer this 1575 to the RHS, and here 100 minus 25 is 75x is equals to 3000 minus 1575, that is 3000 minus 1075, that is 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 7 is 2, and 9 minus 5 is 4 it is, and it becomes 1425. So 75x is equals to 1425 it is. And you know that here what you have done, by transposing means transposing 1575 to the RHS. Now again here, to cancel 75 you divide both LHS and RHS by 75, so it becomes 1425 by 75, that is by dividing LHS and RHS by 75. It is nothing but transfer of 75 to the RHS. Now here you can then x equals here 25 3s are 25 5s are 125, 17 is remaining 175, that is 25 7s are, so you will get 57 by 3. Again you know that 5 plus 7 is 12, it is in the table of 3, so here it is 3 1s are 3 19s are, you will get x equals 19 here. That is nothing but the number of winners here. Therefore number of winners equals 19. Here 19 participants gets rupees 100.